explain the observation. Hmm.
When he tilted the bottle,
Hmm.
the inside all air will be there.
Hmm.
When water insides, some how much water enters, that much only air bubble will also come out.
Hmm.
As as water went inside, he tilted.
Hmm.
Some water went inside and
Hmm.
air bubbles came out.
Very good. Hmm. Difference between filtration and sedimentation. Filtration and sedimentation.
Filtration means
Hmm.
filtration means
Fil-
purify,
hmm.
means removing insoluble
Hmm. Impurities
impurities and
by